So this is for my toddler. And because, you know, they always steal your phone and they want to like, they're going to throw it because they're rude. They're going to throw my phone. And this is about me and him and our relationship, about how I don't want my phone to break. And it goes a little diddly like this. Put my phone back down. You can put my phone back down on the rack, because if you don't, you will throw it. And if you throw it, the screen might crack. Keep running away, that's fine. But if you throw my phone one more time, you're gonna break my screen now, because you already broke the screen protector. Keep running that mess, that's fine. Please don't touch my phone at the same time. You are so fast with your little feet. That's really cute, but please give me my phone. Thanks, guys. Have a good night.